found you, Mommy.
You found me?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
Calling your phone, why you not hitting me back? Please just pick up, don't wanna go tip for.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shantae back with another Vlogtober video. And then, like I said, I'm keeping these videos short but sweet. And speaking of sweet, today I'm going to surprise my e-learning kids with some treats for the morning. They already ate breakfast, but I'm just gonna get them some little treats for the morning. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I like to surprise them, let them, keep them guessing which day they're gonna get it. So this morning I'm gonna do some treats. So I'm probably just gonna get them some little baked treats like this, cinnamon rolls. They love these things, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make them some of these. And yeah.
I found you, Mommy.
You found me?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
Arguing on, first is this, then it's that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick. Curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so held me tight like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Ran up the check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year was getting you gifts. Can't lie, I know I've been gone, just trying to make a we spend. I know you wanted me home, don't understand why you split. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stand. Curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so held me tight like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Testing me, why you always testing me? Arguing back and forth, can't make a call, might need a referee. Thought of you not here, I'm in my thoughts, it's so unsettling. Trying to make some sacrifices, mind and heart been wrestling. Got your friends around you, talking crazy, hit them heckling. Got you in your feelings, now you hit me, and you're pressing me. Had me in the doghouse, tied down, I was tethering. But you're still right here, so are you riding, are you dead in me? Let it be. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Arguing on, first is this, then it's that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick. Curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so held me tight like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Ran up the check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year was.
Okay, so I want to let these cool off before I put the icing on them because it's not going to do anything but just run off. So I'm going to let them cool off for a few minutes and then we'll be back to put the icing on.
Getting you gifts, can't lie, I know I've been gone, just trying to make a we spend. I know you wanted me home, don't understand why you split. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stand. Curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so held me tight like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Testing me, why you always testing me? Arguing back and forth, can't make a call, might need a referee. Daughter, you not here, I'm in my thoughts, it's so unsettling. Trying to make some sacrifices, mind and heart been wrestling. Got your friends around you, talking crazy, hit them heckling. Got you in your feelings, now you hit me, and you're pressing me. Had me in the doghouse, tied down, I was tethering. But you're still right here, so are you riding, are you dead in me? Let it be. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Arguing on, first it's this, then it's that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stand. Curve me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Ran up the check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year was getting you gifts. Can't lie, I know I've been gone, just trying to make.
I've got some washed up grapes here that I just washed up. And we're just going to make a smiley face.
I know you wanted me home, don't understand why you split. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stand. Curve me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you wanting to be.
Just like that. See? That's smiley face. And then we grab 1, 2, 3, and we're done. So I ended up cutting one in half because Kyler likes them too, so I had to cut some up for him. So I just cut one in half to even it out for the girls. So let's go give this one to one of them. Smiley face is leaving, but that's okay. They're locked in their rooms right now, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun at school today, honey. All right.
So help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
Great day at school.
I'm already in school.
All right. My kids like their little snacks for this Friday, October 2nd, the second day of Vlogtober. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below. I love talking to you guys. And like, share, and subscribe.
Pressing me, had me in the doghouse tied down.